So specifically, this is Gorilla Heavy Duty Construction Adhesive. And it says it will do metal, and it says it's okay for outside. So we're gonna try it here, see if it will fix this little job and be easier than putting some metal screws in. So it's gonna be white on the inside. I'm gonna use this caulk gun for it. Put the thing back on it. So there's always something to do on an old house. I don't know if this is on any newer houses, but this old house has these coverings over some of the windows and steps, and so this is over our back steps, and it's really a helpful thing in terms of keeping them dry and keeping a little bit of the weather out from our door. So these had come loose and were blowing around. I had secured them temporarily and now need to do it permanently. So this Gorilla Glue caulk adhesive, it's kind of like liquid nails, but I wanted to try Gorilla Glue brand, and so that's what I'm applying here, and I think it's going to be easy to go on and be helpful for this need and anything similar to this you're trying to glue down. So that went on a lot thicker than normal caulk. I don't know if it's because it was old or not the right temperature, although it's pretty warm today. So I'm going to assume that it was a little bit old, and so it had thickened up some, but I was able to get it on as needed. It would be hard to do it through the narrow nozzle. But it worked. I got it in there, and then I taped it, as you see, just to hold it down, put some pressure on it. I didn't think it looked like a good place to put clamps. So I did have to use mineral spirits to get off my hands. It wasn't going to wipe off with water. So a little bit yucky there, but I think it's going to be good stuff. And here I will show you how it's holding up after a couple of days without the tape on, and it should look good. So there's always a repair to do, and when you're the repair dad, that's what you do. And so I don't know if it's Friday or not, but it feels like a Friday. So it's the next morning, just checking this out. I just pulled the tape off on this side, and all of these panels are really well secured. Now, it doesn't look great. The whole thing needs to be repainted and worked on a little bit, but it will withstand the wind and rain now, and I think we're in good shape. So did it work? Yes.